Hello, this is Mr. Knowles, fourth grade teacher at Ely Elementary in Whitehall, Michigan. And my fourth grade class and I have been observing shadows the past few days, and we're becoming very curious about shadows. So we decided to conduct some observations. So what we decided to do is we put a post in the ground with a little flagging on top. And over the course of the day, we've noticed that the shadow grows and it moves. And then we thought, well, if the shadow's moving, maybe we should figure out a way to monitor the movement. So what we did is we figured out where our cardinal directions are: north, east, south, and west. Put them on a hula hoop and put it on the ground, and then we could monitor the shadow's movement of the post that's in the ground. The flagging on top just says, please do not remove, to anyone passing by so they don't touch our little experiment. And we have some meter sticks that we use, and we measure it in centimeters. The length of the shadow we measure. So I look for the shadow of the post every hour, or we have been, I should say. And what helps is to have the flagging, because then I can see the shadow of the flagging where the tip of the pole is. So what I'll do is lay it on the ground right along the shadow, and then I use this flagging here, and then I can see about where that shadow hits. I have to be careful not to pull the post so it doesn't affect my results. And it's on 69 right now, and we've been taking data every hour during the course of the day. And then 69 centimeters. And then I look down carefully at my compass rose, and the shadow is almost pointing north. We haven't really found a way to make that more precise yet. So for now, it's closer to, really close to north. We're going to say it's pointing north. And again, we've been doing this every hour since the sun rose, and we'll continue to do it all day and do it for several days and monitor the patterns that the shadows are making during the course of a day. My students have a lot of wonders that have come from this simple experiment in our school courtyard. Maybe this will inspire you to consider some ways to observe shadows where you're at.